Okay, thought I'd put together a little video for this pedal. This is a BYOC classic chorus. That's their clone of the Boss CE2, which is, in my opinion, one of the best pedal format choruses ever made. It's all analog, it's a little pricey, but it's a pleasure to put together. So here's the clean tone. You turn it on, and right off the bat you see that the LED is indicating the rate of the effect. You can change the depth as well. Get a really wiggly sound if you wish. Or something more subtle and ambient. So there it is.